Hey, what's up guys? I'm back in my dorm, or my apartment, sorry, at college. I wanted to show you guys the cool mic. Hopefully you guys saw my post yesterday. If you didn't, I'd like to show you the new camera equipment, or like channel equipment that I bought. Otherwise, I am streaming and recording this in 4K 60 frames per second on the new iPhone XS Max. So do let me know the quality of this. Let me know if it gives you the option to choose it. But check this out. So this right here is the Yeti Blue Blackout Edition microphone. It's a lot bigger than my previous microphone, and I'll show you guys a little comparison of the before and after, but it's really cool. It's really sturdy, and let's call it a Black Friday gift for my channel and myself, and to you guys. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. So to give a little comparison, you can see this was my previous mic that I used. This was a Fifine mic. This is the Yeti Blue, and you can see it is such a big size difference. This is more of a professional end, you know, for recording voice, or if you're singing and stuff like that. And this one is just a little small one for starting out. I may get a boom arm for the channel that comes out and comes down so that I can talk to you guys, but I just wanted to update you guys on that. What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Stellar Lumens to BTC. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and make sure to leave a giant thumbs up. This way, I know you guys like the content. Otherwise, in today's video, we will be looking at some Bitcoin Cyber Monday deals. I know a lot of you guys are aware, hopefully, that today is Cyber Monday. So there are a lot of pretty good deals that I want to point out for you guys. Otherwise, I did get the Yeti mic. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. I got to figure out where I want to put it. Hopefully the sound quality is better. I do want to let you guys know for tomorrow's video, I would like you guys to comment what cryptocurrency you want me to review. I kind of don't want to keep reviewing XLM. It is an important coin, but do let me know which crypto you would like to see me review in tomorrow's episode. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, let's move on with today's episode. So we are seeing a little bit of downtrend within the market. We're going to discuss why exactly that could potentially be happening. I do know there's a lot of people telling me and coming to me in confidence and through private messaging, asking me questions about could this slight downtrend be related to the fact that it is the holidays coming up, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all these deals, are they withdrawing their money from the markets to buy gifts for their family within Asia, United States, America, all different places, Africa, China, wherever. Definitely let me know what you think about that too. But furthermore, let's move on with today's episode. So I do want to show you guys this right here. So this is News BTC, and this is basically Cyber Monday deals for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So it says Bitcoin Cyber Monday deals, shopping tips, and discounts. It's Cyber Monday, and that means there are deals and discounts for cryptocurrency investors to take advantage of, like you guys. After families everywhere gather for Thanksgiving and appreciate the things they have in life, the day immediately after, known as Black Friday, is a day for trampling others in retail stores in order to buy the things you don't have, usually at deep discount. The savings extend from retail to online, and the first Monday following after Black Friday is dubbed as Cyber Monday. Also, for you guys that don't know, I do have a crypto merchandise for this channel, Crypto TV. If you guys did want to purchase that, I will be shouting you guys out on the channel as part of the Cyber Monday, so definitely check it out. Link is in the description. It's pretty cool. If you want to take a picture of you wearing the Crypto TV merch, send it to my email, cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. Link is in the description as well, and I will post you guys wearing the merchandise, or if you make a short little video on my channel, send it to my email. It would be awesome as a way to show support for the channel. Otherwise, let's continue on. So deals that we have, Bitcoin Cyber Monday deals, Ledger Nano S, 50% off. As you guys should be familiar, there is a off the internet ledger or wallet that you can store your cryptocurrency in, the Ledger Nano S, 50% off, really good deal. I believe it's probably like close to $50 this time. It's usually around 100. So the most important cryptocurrency investors can do is to protect their investment. Keeping cryptos like Bitcoin or Litecoin on an exchange can be a risky move and may lead to theft, similar to like Coinbase. I know they are protected, and I believe the the SEC is starting to protect cryptos for investors, so you kind of get it backed, but I know that's kind of shady, so I wouldn't rely on that. But if you did want to hold your money on an off the market ledger, definitely check out this. Do not buy any, fair warning, if you do lose your money or your crypto, this is my warning to you. Do not buy any of these off of Amazon or eBay. That is the way to get scammed. Buy it directly from the website. This way you know it's 100% safe and secure. I've had and heard too many problems with that happening. Otherwise, we have the Trezor, get the third one free. So if you buy 2, you get the third one free. Not as good of a deal, but the Trezor is pretty much competing with the Ledger Nano for those who want to store their crypto offline. This is definitely the way to do it. Then we see earn Bitcoin while shopping. If you're already doing Cyber Monday shopping online, you might as well earn Bitcoin as you shop. Retail investors like Macy's, Walmart, and many more are offering up some deals for the year. They're available through Lolly's Google Chrome add-on. Using Lolly, the add-on software, it will alert you if a website you are shopping on is eligible for a Bitcoin reward. Dozens of popular retailers are eligible for Bitcoin returns, so that's pretty cool. Definitely check that out. Then we see deep discounts on crypto itself, so he's pretty much talking about the market as a whole. Best time to buy crypto is probably now, guys. We are seeing a lot of discounts within the market, and I'll be more in depth on when exactly to buy the crypto in a couple of minutes. But you guys can see Crypto, it's saying Bitcoin is trading at $36.50, Litecoin $28.89, and then we have Ethereum at $104. So definitely some good deals. That's pretty much it in terms of the deals that are offered on the market. But I do want to show you guys the rest of the technical analysis. So you can see we're on Litecoin right now, and we do have, my graphs kind of rebooted themselves from yesterday, so bear with if some of these look off from yesterday's video. We do have the downtrend right now, and you can see we were kind of trading out sideways from here and trading fairly well on this line of support, and we broke bearish, fell to the top of support, and shot way, way, way up to our resistance at 55, and have pretty much tumbled down, catching up with the top of the downtrend, which is very interesting. Keep in mind that we are still oversold on the daily, which does give us potential to, move up and correct into a higher price level. We could potentially move up to around our high-low MMA at around 55. By the time we got there, it would probably be closer to $50, but it's definitely possible to see a movement up to that level. So don't hold off just yet into buying. I do want to point out a couple of other things in terms of when to buy this crypto. Let's start with Bitcoin, then we'll move on to XLM and then Ethereum. You can see Bitcoin is doing a slight double bottom. This is kind of an interesting play right now. You can see where the double bottom is forming in terms of where its, support level is, right at 3,635 for those on mobile and can't see the price. We are seeing a double bottom form. It's very interesting because of the fact that this is on the 4-hour, and as we guys know, the 4-hour isn't a stable support to basis off of. It is very possible we could see a short-term pump, but it isn't reliable. If we saw this on a daily or the weekly chart, we would definitely know for sure that this is a move that is bound to happen. But being the fact that it is on the 4-hour, if it does swing upwards, it may be a very small bounce in that. So the interesting thing that I know we've been talking about, but we've been gaining a lot of subscribers. So for those of you who are new and don't know, we've been tracking XLM, Stellar Lumens to Bitcoin for quite some time now, and we've tracked that there is some sort of Elliott wave pattern forming on the weekly graph, as you guys can see here. An Elliott wave is a 5-point maneuver, and then it's usually followed by a break up or a break down, a correction of some sort. And you can see we started up here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have been tracking this all the way back since, I want to say, October 29th. No, that's way too early. I apologize. Back in the beginning of November, we've been tracking it. So we watched this hit support at number 4, or we watched it hit resistance at number 4, and we were pretty much trying to figure out whether or not we were going to break bearish from that or continue to move up, and it did hold true. We hit resistance right here, and we currently fell down, and what was interesting is we watched the rest of the market pull back down with it. So using that in mind, now we're trying to figure out whether or not we're going to continue to pull back down, which we most likely are on Stellar Lumens, but what we really want to know is whether or not the rest of the market is going to pull back down with it. That's interesting. We have seen in past history recently that with this pullback down, the rest of the market has followed it. So that does give me some probability to infer that we will continue to pull back down farther with the rest of the market. And that's why I'm saying hold off on buying crypto at the moment. If you did want to start pyramiding down, buy a very small amount now. Buy a very small amount, and as we head down to point number 5, that is when you can start buying a little bit more in volume. So I would definitely say start now if you did want to. That's what I would do. That's what I am potentially doing. And then as we head lower, I would be buying ever so much more until we hit around 5, where I'd be buying most of whatever total that I wanted to spend on cryptocurrency, and then we would ride this wave back up to the top wherever it goes, or we could pull back down lower. We're obviously going to track that as we continue on. As for Ethereum, you can see what Ethereum is doing, definitely forming some other double bottom as well. You can see we've been tracking this for quite some time now. You can see we had hit resistance numerous times, battling our high-low MMA here, trading on top of the line of support, basically entering the oversold market. You can see we did find a very strong support at around $100, $102, $103. And you can see we're double bottoming off of this, and I do think this is a very strong support. I do think we're going to hold this for quite some time now. I think we're going to trade out sideways and kind of accumulate and build volume in here, and then I think we're going to explode in either or direction, moving up fairly high or moving down fairly low. Obviously, we're going to make that call as the time gets closer. I'm not going to make a call a week in advance. You know, as the time gets closer, we'll figure that out. But I don't think, I'd be very shocked if we break below here and hold below here. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the episode for today, guys. Hopefully you like that intro. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, share the page. This is our way of growing. Make sure to leave a comment. I love responding to all you guys. I try to make sure I respond, or at least heart all of your guys' comments, to let you guys know I do read every single one of them. Otherwise, make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any opportunities to invest in the market. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.